Ever wonder where a website actually lives? It's a question many people ponder when they first start thinking about the internet. Where does all that information reside? How does it get to your screen? It's not floating in the clouds, despite what the metaphors might suggest. It has a real, physical home. A tangible location where the data resides. These aren't just any computers, they're specialized machines built for the task. Think of web hosting as the plot of land where you build your digital house. It's the foundational space upon which your online presence is constructed. Without that land, there's nowhere to build. Your website's files, text, images, videos, all the content that makes up your online identity, are stored on a powerful computer called a server, always connected to the internet, constantly ready to deliver your content to the world. These servers are the workhorses of the internet. Without this server, your website would just be files on your computer, inaccessible to anyone else. It would be like having a beautiful house with no way for anyone to visit, invisible to the world. A digital ghost, unseen and unheard. When you type a web address, you're essentially sending a request, asking a specific server to show you its website. It's like sending a letter to a specific address. The server responds instantly, processing your request and sending the site to your screen with remarkable speed. These servers are housed in secure, climate-controlled data centers designed to keep them running optimally. These data centers are managed by web hosting providers, companies that specialize in keeping your website online. You pay these providers for a spot on their servers, essentially renting space in their digital real estate. They handle the technical stuff like security, maintenance, and ensuring your website is always available. Web hosting is the foundation of the internet, the bedrock upon which the entire online world is built. It's what makes your site accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world, at any time. Every website you visit relies on hosting, from social media platforms to online stores. It's the invisible engine powering the web, the unsung hero of the digital age. Without it, the internet would be a very quiet place, a vast and empty digital landscape. You've built a great website on your computer, but only you can see it. To share it with the world, you need web hosting. Your personal computer isn't built to be a server, it needs rest, and its internet connection isn't reliable for lots of visitors. A web host gives your site a permanent, reliable home with fast connections and backup systems. Hosting isn't just about being online, it's about security too. Hosts protect your site from hackers and keep everything updated. Managing all this yourself would be a full-time technical job. With hosting, experts handle the hard parts so you can focus on your content. A website needs hosting for 3 reasons: accessibility, reliability, and security. Without a host, your site is just files with no way to reach the world. Hosting is the launchpad that sends your creation into the digital universe. Not all websites need the same kind of home. Just like people have different housing needs, websites vary greatly in their requirements. Some need a small, simple space, while others demand a sprawling, robust infrastructure. That's why there are different types of web hosting available, each designed to cater to specific needs and levels of technical expertise. Understanding these options is crucial for making the right choice for your online presence. Shared hosting is like an apartment building. You're sharing the building with many other tenants. In this setup, your site shares server resources such as CPU, RAM, and bandwidth with numerous other websites. It's the most affordable option, making it a great starting point for beginners and small businesses with limited budgets. If your site grows and starts demanding more resources, you might consider upgrading to a VPS, which is like a townhouse. With a VPS, you get your own dedicated slice of server resources, ensuring better performance and stability compared to shared hosting. This means your website won't be as affected by the activities of other users on the server. For big sites with lots of traffic and resource-intensive applications, there's dedicated hosting. Essentially your own private house. You have maximum power, control, and complete isolation from other users. It's the most expensive option, reflecting the premium resources and control you get. Dedicated hosting also typically requires a higher level of technical know-how to manage and maintain the server effectively. Cloud hosting is the newest and most flexible option. Instead of residing on a single server, your site lives on a network of virtual servers, drawing resources from a vast pool. If traffic spikes unexpectedly, the cloud instantly provides more resources to handle the load, ensuring your site remains responsive and available. This inherent scalability and redundancy make cloud hosting incredibly reliable. If one server in the network fails, others seamlessly take over, minimizing downtime and ensuring business continuity. Cloud hosting is particularly well suited for websites and applications that anticipate growth and require a flexible infrastructure. It's also ideal for handling unpredictable traffic patterns and variable demand. Ultimately, each hosting type caters to different business needs, technical skills, and budgetary constraints. Carefully consider your website's current and future requirements, and choose the hosting solution that best aligns with your goals and resources. Signing up for hosting is a crucial first step in establishing your online presence. It's more than just securing a space on the internet. It's about setting the stage for your website's performance, security, and overall success. Gives you more than just server space. It provides a suite of tools and resources designed to empower your website and ensure a seamless experience for your visitors. Think of it as the foundation upon which your online empire will be built. You get storage for your files, which is where all your website's content, images, and code reside. How much you need depends on your site's size. A simple blog will require less storage than a large e-commerce site with hundreds of product images and videos. Consider your current needs and future growth when choosing a plan. Bandwidth is the data your site can send to visitors. It's the pipeline through which your website's content flows to your audience. More visitors or bigger files use more bandwidth. Each image, video, and page element contributes to the overall bandwidth consumption. Many hosts now offer unmetered bandwidth, providing you with the freedom to grow your audience without worrying about hitting data limits, so your site can grow. This scalability is essential for businesses anticipating increased traffic and content expansion. Security is key. Most plans include a free SSL certificate, which is a digital certificate that authenticates your website's identity and enables an encrypted connection, encrypting data and building trust with visitors. This secure connection protects sensitive information, such as passwords and credit card details, from being intercepted by malicious actors. SSL also helps your site rank better in search engines, as search engines prioritize secure websites in their search results. Hosting plans often include professional email addresses using your domain, allowing you to create email accounts that reflect your brand, making you look more credible. A professional email address adds a layer of legitimacy to your communications and reinforces your brand identity. Regular backups are another perk, providing a safety net for your website's data. If something goes wrong, whether it's a technical glitch, a hacking attempt, or a simple mistake, you can restore your site easily from a recent backup. These features make hosting a complete solution, providing everything you need to establish and maintain a successful online presence. For launching and protecting your website, it's about creating a secure and reliable environment for your online endeavors. Everything you need to get online, from the server space to the security features, is included in a comprehensive hosting plan, all in one package. It's a convenient and cost-effective way to manage all the essential aspects of your website. Hosting plans are designed to help your site run smoothly and securely, ensuring a positive experience for both you and your visitors. How does your website go from your computer to the internet? After choosing a host, you upload your files to their server like moving into a new house. This is usually done with an FTP client, a tool that lets you transfer files directly. Many people use website builders or WordPress, which hosts often install for you with one click. Then, you build and manage your site through a simple dashboard, no coding needed. Once your files are on the server, your site is live and ready for visitors. The server listens for requests, assembles your pages, and delivers them to anyone who asks. Your website has officially made the leap from private project to public destination. Your website has a home, but how do people find it? That's where your domain name comes in. A domain is your site's easy-to-remember address, like myawisamwebsite.com. The domain name system, or DNS, connects your domain to your server's unique IP address. When you buy a domain, you set its name servers to point to your host. This tells the internet where to find your site. You update your domain settings with the name servers your host provides. It's like filing a change of address form for your website. It can take up to 48 hours for this change to spread across the internet. Once done, typing your domain brings up your website from its server home. Your memorable address is now officially linked to your site. Let's recap the journey from idea to live website. First, you create your site's content and design on your computer. Next, you choose a web host and sign up for a plan that fits your needs. Then, you upload your files or install a website builder on your host server. You register a domain name and point it to your hosting server. Once DNS is set, your site is live and accessible to the world. Hosting is the backbone that brings your website to life. It's the unsung hero behind every online success.